गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। स्वागत है आपका हमारी न्यू वीडियो में। दिस इज ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट मी। माय नेम इज मनीष कुमार यादव। आई हैव क्लियर्ड मल्टीपल एग्जाम्स, एसएससी, सीजीएल, सीपीओ, सीएचएसएल and currently working as a income tax inspector through SSC CGL 2020। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप 50 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ गुप्ता डायनेस्टी which were frequently asked in SSC CGL, CPO and रेलवे एग्जाम्स एंड स्टेट पीसीएस एग्जाम्स। ये वो क्वेश्चंस है जो आपको कभी भी स्किप नहीं करने चाहिए। चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से, हु इज नोन एज ए फाउंडर ऑफ गुप्ता एम्पायर? द आंसर इज श्रीगुप्त। श्रीगुप्त was the founder of Gupta dynasty. He established a small kingdom around 3rd century CE in Magda, Bihar region. His son Ghatotkacha succeeded him. However, the real expansion of empire started under Chandragupta first. Second question, which ruler of Gupta dynasty started the Gupta era? The answer is Chandragupta first. Chandragupta first started Gupta era around 319-320 CE. He is also considered the real founder of Gupta Empire. Third question, which Gupta ruler was given the title of Kaviraj? The answer is Samudragupta. Samudragupta, known as Napoleon of India, was a great military conqueror and lover of arts. He was an expert in playing veena and composed poetry, which is why he was given the title of Kaviraj. Fourth question, which Gupta ruler performed the Aswamedh Yagya? Answer is Samudragupta. Samudragupta performed the Aswamedh Yagya to prove his dominance. This is mentioned in Allahabad pillar inscription Prayagraj Prasasti, written by his court poet Hari Sen. Question number 5, who is known as the greatest ruler of Gupta Empire? The answer is Chandragupta II. Chandragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya, expanded the Gupta Empire by defeating Sakas. His court had Navratnas, 9 gems, including Kalidas, Varamihir and Amrasima. Question number 6, चंद्रगुप्त द्वितीय के शासनकाल के दौरान भारत आने वाले चीनी यात्री कौन था? आंसर इज फाइयान। द चाइनीज ट्रेवल फाइयान विजिटेड इंडिया ड्यूरिंग रीजन ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त II. He is also called Vikramaditya around 405 to 411 CE. He wrote extensively about social, religious and economic condition of Gupta period in his book Fo Kuo Ki. गाइस, ये बुक्स याद रखिए, ये पूछा जाता है एग्जाम्स में कि फाइयान की बुक कौन सी थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, द अलाहाबाद पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन प्रोवाइड इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट विच गुप्ता रूलर? समुद्रगुप्त। Allahabad pillar inscription Prayag Prasasti was composed by Hari Sen, the court poet of Samudragupta. It describes Samudragupta's military conquest, administrative policies and patronage of arts. Next question, who among the following was a famous astronomer and mathematician in Gupta period? Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was a great mathematician and astronomer of Gupta period. His book Aryabhatiya introduced the concept of zero, decimal system and the value of pi. He has also proposed that the earth rotated on its axis. Question number 9, which Gupta ruler performed Aswamedh Yagya? The answer is Samudragupta. I think ये डिस्कस कर चुके हैं हम पहले। Question number 10, who was the last greatest ruler of Gupta Empire? The answer is Skandagupta. Skandagupta was the last greatest ruler of the Gupta Empire. He is known as for defeating the Hunas, who invaded India. Question number 11, कालिदास की कौन सी रचना चंद्रगुप्त द्वितीय के जीवन का वर्णन करती है? The answer is रघुवंश. कालिदास रघुवंश is an epic Sanskrit poem that describes the Raghu dynasty to which the Gupta kings associated themselves. Question number 12, what was the official language of Gupta Empire? The answer is Sanskrit. The official language of Gupta Empire was Sanskrit. Question number 13, मुद्रा राक्षस नामक नाटक किसने लिखा था जो चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य पर आधारित है लेकिन गुप्त काल में लिखा गया था? आंसर इज विशाखादत्त. Visakadatta wrote Mudra Rakshas, a Sanskrit drama that described the political tactics of Chandragupta Maurya and Chanakya. Question number 14. What was the main source of revenue in Gupta Empire? Answer is land tax. The main source of revenue in Gupta Empire was land tax, known as Bhumikar. Taxes were also collected on trade, profession and irrigation. Question number 15. दिल्ली का लौह स्तंभ जो अपनी जंग प्रतिरोधी प्रकृति के लिए प्रसिद्ध है, किस गुप्त शासक के शासनकाल में बनवाया गया था? द आंसर इज चंद्रगुप्त द्वितीय. द आयरन पिलर ऑफ दिल्ली लोकेटेड नियर कुतुब मीनार वाज बिल्ट ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ चंद्रगुप्त सेकंड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. गुप्त काल के किस प्रसिद्ध गणितज्ञ ने लीलावती नामक पुस्तक लिखी थी? द आंसर इज भास्कर प्रथम. Bhaskar first was great mathematician of Gupta period. He wrote Leelavati, which is a mathematical treatise discussing algebra, arithmetic and geometry. Question number 17. The concept of zero as a number was introduced during reign of which Gupta ruler? Answer is Chandragupta II. The concept of zero as a number was introduced by Aryabhatta during the reign of Chandragupta II. The Gupta period is often called the golden age of mathematics due to such advancements. Next question is question number 18. कुमारगुप्त प्रथम ने कौन सी उपाधि धारण की थी? महेंद्रादित्य. कुमारगुप्त फर्स्ट, जिनका शासनकाल था 415 से 455 CE, took the title Mahendraditta and ruled the Gupta Empire at its zenith. He founded Nalanda University and successfully defended his empire from external invasions. Next question. गुप्त वंश के किस शासक को नालंदा विश्वविद्यालय की स्थापना का श्रेय दिया जाता है? कुमारगुप्त फर्स्ट को. कुमारगुप्त फर्स्ट established Nalanda University, which became a great center of learning subjects like Buddhist philosophy, logic, medicine and mathematics. Question number 20. What was the emblem of Gupta dynasty? गुप्त वंश का राज चिन्ह क्या था? गरुड़. Next question. Which Gupta ruler is credited with stopping the Hunas? Skandagupta. During the reign of Skandagupta, the Hunas tried to invade India. Skandagupta successfully repelled them, but the continuous wars drained the empire's resources and weakening the Gupta rule. Which was the main port used by Gupta Empire for trade? The answer is Tamralipi. Tamralipi, modern day Tamluk, West Bengal, was an important port city during the Gupta period. It facilitated trade with South Asia, China and Roman Empire. Next question. Who wrote the famous Sanskrit drama Abhigyan Shakuntalam? Kalidas. One of the Navratnas of Chandragupta II poets court wrote Abhigyan Shakuntalam, a Sanskrit play based on story from Mahabharata about King Dushyant and Shakuntala. Next question. कौन सा अभिलेख समुद्रगुप्त की विजयों को वर्णन करता है? अलाहाबाद पिलर इंस्क्रिप्शन, which is written by Hari Sen, describes Samudragupta military conquest over North and South India. Next question. Who issued the first silver coin of Gupta dynasty? Answer is Chandragupta II. Next question. What was the main economic activity during Gupta Empire? Answer is agriculture. The Gupta economy was primarily agrarian, with land tax Bhumikar being a major revenue source. Irrigation, crop protection and surplus production contributed to economic prosperity. Which Gupta ruler is known as a Napoleon of India? Answer is Samudragupta. Historian Vincent Smith called Samudragupta the Napoleon of India because of his extensive military conquest. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अधिकांश गुप्त शासकों का धर्म क्या था? हिंदू. मोस्ट गुप्ता रूलर्स वर हिंदू, बट दे आर आल्सो पैट्रोनाइज्ड बुद्धिज्म एंड जैनिज्म. दे रिवाइव्ड ब्राह्मणिकल ट्रेडिशन, बिल्ड टेम्पल्स एंड promoted the worship of Vishnu and Shiva. Next question. Who among the following was a physician in Gupta period? Answer is Vagbhat. Vagbhat, a Ayurvedic physician, wrote Ashtanga Hridayam, which is an important text on medicine and surgery. Next question. प्रसिद्ध उदयगिरी गुफाएं किस गुप्त शासक के शासनकाल में बनाई गई थी? Answer is Chandragupta II. Udayagiri caves were built during the Chandragupta II reign. These rocks cut caves contain Hindu deities, especially Vishnu, and are example of Gupta art and architecture. Next question. Which Gupta ruler adopted the title Vikramaditya? The answer is Chandragupta II. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नालंदा के अलावा गुप्तों द्वारा स्थापित अन्य प्रसिद्ध विश्वविद्यालय कौन सा था? विक्रमशिला विश्वविद्यालय. व्हाट वाज द मेन करेंसी ऑफ गुप्ता एम्पायर? दिनार, विच वाज मेड अप ऑफ गोल्ड. गुप्त वंश का अंतिम शासक कौन था? विष्णुगुप्त. हु वाज द फेमस स्कॉलर ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉमी इन गुप्ता पीरियड? Aryabhatta. The Gupta ruler issued which type of gold coins? Dinar. Who wrote the Sanskrit grammar book? Ashtadhyayi Panini. गुप्त काल में निर्मित प्रसिद्ध मंदिर कौन सा था? दशावतार टेम्पल. गुप्त वंश के प्रसिद्ध किस शासक ने सर्वप्रथम महाराजा धीराज की उपाधि धारण की? चंद्रगुप्त फर्स्ट ने. What was the script used in Gupta inscription? Brahmi. Who was the court poet of Samudragupta? Harisen. Harisen was a poet, minister and military officer in court of Samudragupta. He wrote the Allahabad pillar inscription Prayag Prasasti, which describes Samudragupta's military achievements. Next question. Which famous Chinese traveler visited India during the reign of Gupta period? The answer is Faiyan. Faiyan visited India during the reign of Chandragupta II Vikramaditya. His travel accounts describe the prosperity, Buddhism and administration of Gupta Empire. Next question. Who was the author of Brihad Samhita, a book on astronomy? The answer is Varamihir. What was the taxation system during the Gupta period called Bhaga and Bali? Which metal was mainly used for making Gupta coins? Gold. And the gold coins were called dinars. What was the primary language used in Gupta administration? Sanskrit. गुप्त काल को किस क्षेत्र का स्वर्ण युग कहा जाता है? आर्ट. आंसर इज आर्ट, लिटरेचर एंड साइंस. Which Gupta king was also a great magician? समुद्रगुप्त, जो वीणा बजाते थे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, आयरन पिलर एट महरौली वाज बिल्ड ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ विच गुप्ता रूलर? आंसर इज चंद्रगुप्त सेकेंड. Which famous Sanskrit scholar and grammarian was associated with Gupta period? The answer is Patanjali. सो थैंक यू गाइस ये वीडियो वॉच करने के लिए. तो यहाँ पे टॉप 50 क्वेश्चन एंड होते हैं और आप कमेंट्स में लिख सकते हैं कि प्रेजेंटेशन कैसा था. मैंने कुछ क्वेश्चंस हिंदी में बोले, कुछ क्वेश्चंस इंग्लिश में, एंड इनकी फ्री पीडीएफ दी जाएगी, वो इस वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में होंगी. सो आप उसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, वो एब्सोल्युटली फ्री है. और ऐसे ही मोर वीडियोस के लिए हमारे साथ जुड़े रहे एंड like, comment and share our channel and subscribe also. Okay, I'm winding up this video. Thank you. Jai Hind.